Oh yeah. Okay. Today I'm going to be filming a unboxing, but not just any ordinary unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing TXT's new album, The Chaos Chapter Freeze. So Freeze came out about a month and some weeks ago, so I've been waiting that long for my albums. Yeah, today is July 1st, so they came back a little while ago, so I had to wait. But they're here now, so that's all that matters. I did get my albums through a group order. My group order manager was amazing. Shout out to them. They kept us updated. They were super clear on the FAQs and like what to do when the payments were due and everything. This was actually my first time ordering anything from a group order, and it went actually really well. I've heard so many stories how people get scammed and stuff, but I did a lot of research and I had a few people help me out. So yeah, I paid $90. So that means I have 6 albums in here. I have 2 sets of the 3 different versions, and today I'm going to be unboxing them. Also in this video, I'm going to be talking about a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of the albums, so stay tuned. It's going to be somewhere in the video. I got these albums yesterday, and I didn't want to unbox them because I knew that I was going to do an unboxing video plus a giveaway. Honestly, I already know what the photo cards and inclusions look like because I've been waiting for a month, so that was going to happen inevitably. Also, this is my first time receiving photo cards. I have never owned a photo card in my life. I've never owned a K-pop album in my life. So this is super exciting. So that's why I wanted to film it. Okay. So TXT is the only K-pop group I stan at the moment, and I absolutely love them. And honestly, I love all their music. They have no bad songs. And this album continues to prove that. I Know I Love You is definitely my favorite song on the album, but my second favorite is definitely Frost. Frost makes me want to punch someone in like a good way. Does that make sense? I did pre-order my album, so the first thing I see in here are the magnets. I don't know if the photo card's in here. I'm scared. Should I like close my eyes when I see the photo cards? I don't know. Okay. So yeah, these are the magnets of the pre-order benefits. These are just the ones of the different versions. Also, by the way, the manager wrapped this super nicely. Honestly, thank you so much. What the heck? So I have an envelope here with my name on it. I'm gonna open this up. Aww. Oh. Okay. It's good. If you guys don't know, Bumkey is my bias. He's my alt bias. Like, so Bumkey's on here. This is so cute. What the heck? Oh. Okay, I think the photo cards are in here. I saw the pulls from the group order, and I think there wasn't like an equal amount of the pre-order photo cards. So I'm just gonna open it as if like these are like the photo cards in the album, and I'll see what I get. Can you guys see it? I don't know. Okay, let me turn around. Turn it. Can you guys see it? Oh, I see. Ah! Okay. It's Unikai. It's Taehyung. Oh my god. Oh. Wait. I'm confused. Okay. There's Taehyung in here, and also Unikai, and also Taehyung, and also Unikai. It's just so exciting. The packaging's so cute. Like, even down to the tape, it matches the Freeze concept. That is so cute. Oh wait, there's another photo card in here. Oh my god, I'm gonna flip it. Oh, it's so bad! Okay, hold on, let me show you. Okay, so we got Subin. Okay. We got Taehyung. Okay. And Hinikai. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. I'm assuming this is the same, but I don't know. It might be another member in the middle. I didn't know photo cards were this small, because I don't know why I thought they were a little bit bigger. Okay, so we got Taehyung again, Subin, yeah, and Hinikai. Okay, so yeah, these are duplicates, which is fine. Oh my gosh, what the heck? She printed out like a little photo of Yeonjun. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me read the note to you guys. I feel like I'm a horrible unboxer. She said, "Thank you so much for joining my TXT Go. Please let me know when the albums arrive and using the hashtag KGGO. Stay safe and healthy." Oh my gosh, that's so cute. All right, we are going to unbox these albums. Ugh, I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. Okay. I have 6 albums, so this is gonna take a while. I assume. We're gonna unbox World first. These albums are heavy. Oh no. Oh my goodness. This is actually happening. I've been waiting so long for this. So here we have World. And this one is You. And this one's Boy. I'm going to open World first. If that's the case, I'm going to open the other one so I can open them both back to back. Alright, World's up. Whoa. Okay, things just fell out. I'm scared. Okay. What is this? Is this the track list or the CD? I think this is a CD. Can you see me shaking? What the heck? Okay, this is CD. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. Can you see me shaking? Why am I shaking? I actually bought a CD player, one of those like trendy white ones. I'll insert a clip here. But yeah, I'm gonna put that on my CD player. And I'll probably test it after I film this. Okay, so here are the stickers. The stickers are cute. This is the Freeze World track list, I want to say. No, it's not the track list. Okay. Oh, these are pictures of them. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I'm not going to do a full unboxing. I'm sure you guys have already seen these albums. You guys are probably just waiting for my pulls. But yeah, these are little photos. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. See, like, if you wanted an in-depth unboxing, you came to the wrong place, respectfully. But this is my first time seeing the albums up close, so I'm just gonna like skim through them and then look at them later. Okay, this is the track list. Oh, this is so cool. Shout out to the graphic designers and stuff. Like, shout out to everyone who put work into this album. I don't think we give credit to people aside from the artists who are, you know, recording the music. But yeah, like, look at this. Super cool. I just saw Subin. What the heck? Oh my goodness, look at him. Sub is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm going to close my eyes and look. I can already feel it. I can already feel the photo cards. Okay. They're kind of small. I didn't think photo cards were this small. What the heck? You know what? I'm going to just show you. I'm going to show you. Ooh, don't look. Okay. I'm going to show you. Yeah. Oh, don't look. So there's that one, the OS card. Then that one is the, I don't know, main card. Okay. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do the OS card first. It's bumping you. Ah! I'm gonna flip it. It's so bad. Oh my goodness. His photo cards, this comeback, are so cute. Look at him. I'm gonna put it in a top loader. Oh, this is so exciting. It's my first time putting on a top loader. Okay, how do I do this? Why am I bad at everything I do? Okay. Like, how hard is it to put a photo card in a top loader? I don't want to scratch it. Don't scratch it. Don't scratch it. Okay. Ah, look at it. Ah, so cute. Ooh. Wow. This is like, wow. Why am I feeling the cards? Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Look at them. That was all bumpy right there. But oh, look at him. Look at him. Terry! Oh my goodness. Terry is so beautiful. I'm gonna look at this in full detail later. But I'm going to unbox the second album of World. Ooh, ooh. Why did I say ooh? Like I'm in trouble or something. Where is it? Where's the photo card? Okay, I feel it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, it's Jude! Oh, he's so cute! Okay, so OS card. Sue! Okay, what is up with Sue? Like, do you need to tell me something? Is he trying to communicate with me? Because it's been all Sue. I think we are going to do You next. I'm just realizing that the postcard is on the back of the album. So, okay, I'm going to flip it up here and see who it is. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. cute. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my wall. He is so dreamy. Oh my goodness. Is this a poster? This is not a poster. Do I remember there being a... Is there a poster for... Okay, whatever. This is a whole poster. Did I forget about this? I haven't had a boy band poster since One Direction. And like Justin Bieber, J14 magazine era. This is... Wow. Am I just like going... Look at them. Oh my goodness. The heck? Wow. Okay, so as you know, you get the stickers, and then you get the CD, and then the more concept photos. I'm gonna look at the CD really quickly. Oh, it's the same as the poster. Very cute, very cute. Okay. Alright, I want to show you the OS card. I just blinked. I'm going to show you the OS card. I'm going to look at it. Ah, you undo it. Okay. Do I have another undo? No. Ooh, it looks like I'm going to get OT5. Hold on. This one, I'm going to show you. Can you see it? Okay. Why does he look so boyfy? Oh my goodness! What the heck? Got zoom. Wow, look at this. Oh. Can't really see it. I'm horrible at this. I apologize. Okay, I don't know what's up with Sub. I feel like Subin is trying to communicate with me. He can't see me in person, so he's sending me a message through sending me all of his photo cards. That's the only reasonable explanation, because I don't know why I'm getting so much Sub. I'm not complaining about it. Like, wow, yeah, Subin. Second U version. Gonna box this very quickly for you guys. Okay. Ooh. Ah, my heart. Look at him. I wish these were printed a little bit better. Like, I can see, like, the quality isn't, like, the resolution is a little, But he's so pretty. It doesn't even matter. Alright, next pool. If I can find it. Okay, found it. There's that one. Gonna turn and see it. Oh. Terry! I got Terry. And then the OS card. I got Terry. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get OT5 with OS cards. Okay. Look at his hair. I love his hair this comeback. You know what I want though? I want brown mullet Taehyun to come back. That was a moment. We're on to the last two albums, but before I do that, I'm going to be talking about the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away one album. It's going to be the U version. It's going to have all the inclusions, so the track list, the poster, everything, even the photo cards. The main photo card and the OS photo card. So to enter this giveaway, you will need to comment down below what your favorite song is off the album. Also, you need to either include maybe your Instagram handle, Twitter handle, any social media handle where I can contact you. You also need to be subscribed to me. You also need to like this video, and please make sure that you are at least 13 years of age and you have your parents' permission. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have the written rules in the description box and also in the comments, and I will announce the winner in about a month. Okay, so we are going to open the last version of the albums. If I can get it open. Ah! Ouch. I'm gonna show you guys. If you guys can see it. Okay. Alright, we can cut the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I got cute. Oh my goodness. Bump you. He is so pretty. I honestly think Boy is my favorite concept out of all of them. It's just something about the photo shoots. Like, I think I like Hyun Kai's the most when he's like playing the games and stuff, and he has his little braces. Ah, so adorable. So this one has a poster too. Why did I not get a poster for World? That's weird. That's suspicious. Look at them. So cute. Oh, look at Yeonju. Oh my goodness. Cute. Aww. Here's the CD. This is the OS card. I'm gonna that? Oh, I got soup. Okay. I think, is that a duplicate? Okay, I got 2 OS soups. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And I'll flip it. Ah! I got Yunjun. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. And then here's the little concept book. See, look at Hinkaya. Look at his braces. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to show you. Look. Oh, so adorable. And don't even get me started on BumbQ. I'm not even gonna get into it because I love this man so much. I don't know if you can see my desk right now, but yeah, this is... Yes. Alright, last album. How long have I been recording? Wow, almost an hour. Showing you guys. Can you see it? I keep asking you guys if you can see it. I don't know why I keep asking you guys if... Oh, it's soup. Ah, soup. Final pull. This was so exciting. Oh my goodness. TXT's having another comeback. I don't know if they're coming out with a new album. Maybe a single. We don't know yet, but I want to do this again. Oh, I already saw it. But I got Hidden Kai. I got Hidden Kai. Oh, so cute. Okay. I'm showing you guys the card. You can see it. Ah! What is up with Sobin? He's sending me a message. Him and I are connected somehow. He and I are connected somehow. I got Subin. I got soup, and... Did I get Subin for... I got Subin for the cards for every version. Are you trying to say something to me? So that was my final pull, and that was the end of the unboxing. This was a lot of fun. Like I said, the giveaway rules are going to be in the description box and in the comments, so look at those before you enter the giveaway. If you guys are also into TXT, if you're also a MOA, let's connect. I have my Instagrams down in the description box. You can find them on my card, and yeah. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.